so we've got our London broil in the crock pot. It's a 2.3 pound London broil. I'm gonna add these ingredients straight into the crock pot. This is 1 small red onion. Then I'm gonna add in 2 stalks of celery, chopped up. I'm gonna add in 1 can of a condensed soup. I'm using cream of mushroom today. And I'm gonna add in some garlic seasoning. You wanna put in probably about a good tablespoon. And Italian seasoning. And I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon of that as well. And that's it. This is crock pot cooking. Very simple, very quick. Put it on right before you get ready for work. Put it on at night before bed, whenever you can. Using a crock pot is so convenient. Then I'm gonna put on the lid, and I am going to turn my crock pot setting to low. And this is gonna cook for about 6 hours.